Every morning in a quiet neighborhood, there's one rider who always stands out, not because of speed, but because of how effortless the ride looks. While others slow down, putting their feet down at every stop, this three-wheeled electric ride just stays steady, carrying bags, turning smoothly, and moving with total control. It makes you wonder if there's a better way to handle everyday trips. So today, we're diving into 20 electric tricycles. Are they better than e-bikes? Exploring next-level electric tricycles designed for comfort, balance, and real-life use. Stay with me, because this might change your perspective completely. Number 1. Escute Electric Trike. The moment you sit on the Escute Electric Trike, the whole idea of balancing suddenly feels unnecessary. Its three-wheel structure keeps everything steady even when you're stopping, turning, or carrying groceries from the market. The electric assist gives you a smooth push, so long rides don't feel tiring anymore. The seating position is comfortable and relaxed, letting you ride without pressure on your back or knees. With its rear storage space, everyday errands become easier and more organized. This trike transforms normal travel into a stable, stress-free experience that feels practical, safe, and surprisingly enjoyable from the very first ride. Number 2. Ancheer Electric Trike. At first glance, the Ancheer Electric Trike gives off a calm and confident riding feel that instantly stands out from regular bikes. The wide three-wheel base helps you stay balanced without worrying about tipping over at stops or slow turns. Its electric support reduces effort, so even longer routes feel manageable and smooth. The padded seat adds comfort during extended use, while the rear basket makes daily shopping or carrying items simple. Everything about this trike is designed for ease, turning ordinary commutes into relaxed, steady rides that feel more controlled and less physically demanding every single time you use it. Number 3. Kingsong Electric Unicycle. The Kingsong Electric Unicycle delivers a completely different riding experience that feels modern and agile from the very first movement. It responds directly to your body balance, giving you smooth control once you get used to it. The compact design makes it easy to carry, store, and move through tight urban spaces where larger rides struggle. Despite its size, it offers strong stability through its smart self-balancing system. This makes short-distance travel quick, efficient, and surprisingly fun. It's built for riders who want speed, flexibility, and a futuristic feel packed into one lightweight personal transport option. Number 4. Mooncool Electric Trike. The Mooncool Electric Trike immediately feels like a comfort-focused ride designed for everyday life. The wide seat and stable three-wheel base make it easy to stay balanced even when stopping in traffic or carrying extra weight. The electric assist reduces pedaling effort so longer distances don't feel exhausting anymore. A spacious rear basket helps you handle groceries, shopping bags, or daily essentials without stress. The upright riding position supports your posture and keeps things relaxed throughout the journey. This trike turns normal commuting into a smooth, steady, and enjoyable experience that feels safe and practical every time. Number 5. Viribus Electric Trike. The Viribus Electric Trike is built with a strong focus on stability and comfort, making it ideal for everyday transportation. Its three-wheel design keeps the ride steady even when the surface isn't perfectly smooth. The electric motor helps reduce physical effort, allowing you to travel longer distances without feeling worn out. A comfortable seat supports your body during extended rides, while the rear basket adds convenience for carrying items. Whether it's daily errands or casual rides, everything feels easier and more controlled. This trike transforms regular travel into a balanced, reliable, and stress-free experience that fits real-life needs perfectly. Number 6. Add-Motor Electric Trike. The Add-Motor Electric Trike stands out with its strong frame and stable riding performance that feels secure from the very first moment. The wide rear wheels help maintain balance even when carrying heavier loads or riding on uneven paths. Its electric assist provides steady power, making uphill rides and long distances much easier to handle. The seating is designed for comfort, reducing strain during longer trips. With its practical rear storage space, daily errands become more convenient and organized. This trike transforms commuting into a powerful yet smooth experience that feels dependable, controlled, and built for real-world, everyday use. Number 7. Valtinsu Dirt Bike. The The Valtinsu dirt bike brings a completely different energy focused on adventure, speed, and off-road excitement. Its strong build is designed to handle rough terrain with confidence, giving you control even on uneven paths. The responsive motor delivers quick acceleration that makes every ride feel intense and dynamic. The frame is built for durability, ensuring it can handle outdoor challenges without losing performance. It's perfect for riders who want something thrilling instead of ordinary transport. This dirt bike transforms outdoor riding into an exciting experience filled with power, movement, and a strong sense of control. Number 8. Narek Electric Trike. The Narek Electric Trike focuses on making everyday riding simple, stable, and comfortable for all types of users. Its three-wheel design provides balance at every stop and turn, removing the worry of tipping over. The electric assist helps reduce effort, making daily commutes and shopping trips easier to manage. The seat is built for comfort, supporting longer rides without strain. A rear basket adds useful storage for groceries or personal items. Everything about this trike is designed to make travel more relaxed, turning normal errands into smooth, controlled, and dependable rides that feel easy every time. Number 9. DWMEIGI Electric Trike. The DWMEIGI Electric Trike offers a strong combination of stability and convenience, making it perfect for daily travel needs. Its wide base keeps the ride balanced even when carrying extra items or stopping frequently in traffic. The electric support reduces pedaling effort, helping you move longer distances without feeling tired. The seating position is comfortable and upright, improving posture during rides. A practical rear storage basket adds everyday usefulness for shopping or errands. This trike turns ordinary movement into a smooth, steady experience that feels reliable, controlled, and designed for real-life convenience. Number 10. Mooncool Electric Trike. The Mooncool Electric Trike delivers a calm and steady riding experience that feels comfortable right from the start. Its three-wheel structure ensures balance even during slow turns or stops, removing the stress of tipping. The electric assist provides smooth movement without requiring heavy pedaling effort. A large rear basket makes it practical for carrying groceries or daily essentials. The upright seating position keeps your posture relaxed during rides. This trike transforms everyday travel into a stable and enjoyable journey that feels easy, secure, and perfect for both short trips and regular commuting. Number 11. Elicorange Electric Scooter. The Elicorange Electric Scooter instantly changes how short trips feel by making movement quicker and far less tiring. Its lightweight frame allows easy handling through busy streets, while the electric motor delivers smooth acceleration without effort. The compact design makes it simple to carry upstairs or store in tight spaces. Riding feels stable thanks to its balanced platform, giving you confidence even in crowded areas. It's perfect for daily commutes, errands, or quick travel around the city. This scooter turns ordinary movement into a fast, practical, and modern experience that saves both time and energy every single day. Number 12. Topmate Electric Scooter. The Topmate Electric Scooter brings a practical and easy riding experience designed for short-distance convenience. Its compact build allows smooth movement through tight spaces, while the electric assist reduces physical effort completely. The stable base keeps your ride controlled even at slower speeds, making it suitable for everyday errands. It is light enough to carry and store without struggle, which adds extra flexibility to your routine. Whether you are heading to work, a nearby shop, or just moving around town, this scooter turns simple travel into something fast, comfortable, and surprisingly effortless every time you ride it. Number 13. Huffy Green Machine. The Huffy Green Machine delivers a playful and energetic riding experience that immediately feels different from traditional rides. Its unique design allows smooth drifting and quick directional control, making outdoor movement more exciting. The strong frame supports active riding while maintaining balance during sharp turns. It's built for fun, giving riders a sense of freedom and motion that feels engaging from the start. Perfect for open spaces and recreational use, this machine transforms simple riding into an enjoyable activity filled with speed, movement, and responsive handling that keeps every ride exciting and full of energy. Number 14. Razor DXT Electric Drift Trike. The Razor DXT Electric Drift Trike is built for riders who enjoy controlled speed and thrilling movement. Its low center of gravity improves balance during sharp turns and drifting, giving you more control over every motion. The electric assist adds smooth power that enhances acceleration without feeling unstable. The frame is designed to handle active riding while keeping things steady. This trike is perfect for outdoor spaces where you want excitement and movement combined. It turns ordinary riding into a dynamic experience filled with drifting action, responsive handling, and a strong sense of control at every moment. Number 15. Over Electric Trike. The Over Electric Trike is designed to make everyday travel easier, more stable, and more comfortable for all types of riders. Its three-wheel structure ensures balance even when stopping or turning in traffic. The electric assist helps reduce effort, making longer rides feel smooth and less tiring. A comfortable seat supports relaxed posture, while the rear basket adds practical storage for daily items. Whether used for errands or casual rides, it delivers steady performance and control. This trike transforms normal commuting into a reliable and relaxed experience that feels simple, stable, and convenient every time you use it. Number 16. Puppy Electric Trike. The Puppy Electric Trike offers a strong and stable riding experience that focuses on comfort and real-world practicality. Its three-wheel structure keeps the ride steady even when carrying extra weight or moving through uneven paths. The electric motor reduces physical effort, making longer distances easier to handle. The seating is designed for comfort, allowing extended use without strain. A rear storage space adds convenience for shopping or daily transport needs. This trike turns everyday movement into a smooth and controlled journey that feels dependable, balanced, and highly practical for regular use. Number 17. Great Circle Scooter. The Great Circle Scooter provides a lightweight and efficient way to move through short distances quickly and smoothly. Its compact design allows easy navigation in crowded areas, while the electric support ensures effortless acceleration. The stable platform gives a secure riding feel, even in busy environments. It's perfect for commuting, errands, or quick travel without stress. The scooter reduces walking effort and saves valuable time throughout the day. This ride transforms simple movement into a fast, practical, and modern solution that feels convenient and easy to manage in everyday situations. Number 18. SaveJoy Kids Cart. The SaveJoy Kids Cart brings a fun and safe riding experience designed specifically for younger users. Its stable structure ensures balance during movement, while the smooth steering makes it easy to control. Built for outdoor play, it encourages active and engaging riding in a secure way. The lightweight frame allows simple handling, making it enjoyable for kids without difficulty. This cart turns ordinary playtime into an exciting activity filled with movement, energy, and safe control. It's designed to deliver fun while keeping stability and comfort at the center of every ride. Number 19. Viribus Folding Trike. The Viribus Folding Trike combines stability with portability, making it a smart choice for flexible everyday use. Its folding design allows easy storage and transport, especially in smaller spaces or vehicles. The three-wheel structure keeps the ride steady and balanced, even during stops or slow turns. The electric assist reduces effort, making travel smoother and less tiring. It adapts easily to daily needs, whether for errands or casual riding. This trike transforms mobility into a convenient, space-saving, and comfortable experience that feels practical, reliable, and easy to manage anywhere. Number 20. Free Wink Mobility Scooter. The Free Wink Mobility Scooter is designed to bring comfort and independence to everyday movement. Its stable base ensures safe riding, while the electric motor provides smooth and effortless travel. The comfortable seating supports longer use without discomfort, making it ideal for daily errands or outdoor mobility. Its compact yet strong design allows easy handling across different environments. This scooter is built for reliability and ease, turning daily travel into a controlled and comfortable experience. It delivers smooth movement, stability, and confidence, making everyday life easier and more accessible. That wraps up the full ride through 20 electric tricycles. Are they better than e-bikes? And now you can clearly see how different each model feels on real roads. From stable three-wheel comfort to lightweight electric scooters and drift-style fun, every option brings its own advantage depending on how you travel. If any of these stood out to you, it might be time to rethink your daily ride. Stay tuned for more real-world comparisons and smart mobility ideas coming next.